If what I want doesn't exist, I build it from scratch. From the chemistry board game I designed in high school to my newest iOS app, TOEFL Speaking Helper, I am obsessed with turning ideas into reality. Currently, products I designed, developed, and marketed serve customers in 54 countries, and I could not be more proud knowing that my work has a big impact. When schools don't offer courses I need, I learn on my own. Over the years, I taught myself iOS development, video editing, and graphic design. Learning and applying shouldn't be separated, so I maintain various personal projects where my newly acquired knowledge can be experimented in a real-world environment. In my free time, I actively participate in hackathons to rapidly develop product prototypes and meet people with ambitious vision. Although I am an engineer by profession, I have an artistic passion. I set a high standard to my work, so it is not only technologically advanced, but also artistically pleasing. In terms of video production, I run a YouTube and a Bilibili channel to share my creativity with the world. My videos reach audiences in 29 countries and have over 155,000 views in total. I want to be a player, not a watcher. This year, I decided to become a CodePass Tech Fellow to bring a Facebook-backed iOS course to my university. After 3 years learning iOS development and winning Apple WWDC scholarship for my work, it feels truly great to be a STEM teacher and give back to my community. I wake up every day feeling excited about what I will do next. To me, a community is really a group of people with a common interest. Take a look at Reddit. People are talking about all kinds of things, from college applications to cats to gaming. However, just to have the common interest is not enough. Based on my observation, great communities can retain members and continuously grow new members. These communities have one thing in common. They all make their members feel that they belong here. My community building superpower is to create a sense of belonging. When I was an officer at my high school's TV production club, I noticed that the retention rate of new members was dropping. They have a common interest in production, but they don't have a sense of belonging. Acknowledging the issue, I created a small training program involving old members teaching new members the video editing basics. The retention rate increased by 33% in the incoming semester. Coding always has a stigma that it's too hard, it's inaccessible, it's only for the smartest people. But it's actually not. I feel exactly the same before I started coding, and I'm so glad that I took the very first step. I think the most important step to increase the inclusivity and the diversity in STEM programs is to encourage those who are traditionally underrepresented to try to code for the first time. Once they try, they will say, "Oh, coding is actually not as hard as I thought." My approach is to market my community with a no experience required slogan and offer additional support for those who never coded before but are interested. One of the most beautiful things about coding is a computer never judges who you are, and everybody is welcomed with an open arm. Many companies have their student ambassador program, Apple, Google, Facebook, just to name a few. However, these ambassador programs mainly focus on representing their brand, while the GitHub Campus Expert program focuses on supporting me to grow my community at UC Irvine. Due to limited resources at a public university, organizing community events and offering free accessible programming courses is difficult, and the GitHub Campus Expert program can help me to do that. My programming expertise meaning involves Apple ecosystem. I am an iOS developer with experience in distributing apps on the App Store. Comparing to popular areas like web development, developing for app platform is definitely a niche, but it's a fun one. I love to share my journey as an Apple developer with other campus experts. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button to let me know. If you don't like this video, the other button works fine. If you want to see more content, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.